Okay guys, so we are first looking at how do you actually pick a script.
Yeah, content.
The content, the ultimate stuff that a video needs is content. Okay, how do you pick it? So right now let's jab it with a normal content article. Okay, I'll pick one from my LinkedIn article. Okay, Charanya?
Okay.
LinkedIn article. So I get over to here and I see an article. So let me pick which one, Charanya? Let me pick this. Okay, cool. Ultimate ways to build virality to any product. Okay.
Okay.
So before we actually pick this, I want to show you in fact the actual video that I used to actually build this what do you call as
using this tool.
Not the tool, the output of what this content you see now, how it became a video. First let us show them the output. Okay, so let me head over to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, I'm going to my profile. I'm going to my videos. Okay guys, and here you see this guys, ultimate ways, correct?
Yeah, right.
So hold on. So this is how the ultimate what do you call as
ways to build viral.
Yeah.
So
this is
you convert that article to video.
Correct.
Using this AI technology.
So let's if you're able to hear this is like kind of a voiceover, this one only. Okay, a voiceover, what do you call as a complete voiceover has been done. Okay, let's play a sample. Okay, I hope they're able to hear it. I hope my computer sounds are on. Okay, I hope they're able to hear it.
2. Viral marketing can be scaled. Even if you are an early stage company, it can help you get customers of high quality with low acquisition costs. Many people believe that either lucky or magical virality is happening.
So if you have heard that, that is like actually going ahead, and that was a robot author speaking out. Okay, so pretty amazing. So you understood guys how it works. So typically that's how it works. Okay, so this, you saw this equalizer while it spoke. This equalizer, I'm talking about this equalizer. Okay, you saw that equalizer?
Yeah, right.
How the equalizer is
dancing,
coming in, like dancing equalizer to the music. You can create one like that also. So the first step what you need to do is how did I create this video? Let me show you the first step. Okay,
first we have to
get the text and convert it.
Content,
and then we have to convert it. For example, I have some content with me. Okay, so let me just pick some content. Head over to the ultimate tool that you get called as what? Quillbot. It's a quill, it's a bot, it's a bot, it's a quill, it's Quillbot. Okay, cool. So what I got to do is I'm limited to 700 characters. You saw that guys? So I have to pick 700 characters. So let me just pick 700 characters.
First few lines.
This is fine. This will come to 700, right, Charanya?
Okay.
Whatever. Okay. I'm going to paste this here. Exactly, it came 628. Good no, Charanya?
Yeah, right.
628. So now I'm going to quill it. Okay, guys?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. This is a quill tree. It's going to quill. So what is quilling we are talking about? The quilling is actually the process of paraphrasing. Yeah. Okay, paraphrasing means quilling. It will convert this text to a new text. Okay,
yeah, right. But without changing the meaning of that content.
Exactly, it will not change the meaning. It is going to keep it the same meaning, but it's going to do it. You can even reduce or include the word flipper to whatever extent that you want. And they have different modes here. One is a standard mode. Okay. One is a fluency mode, one is a creative mode, one is a suggestive mode, and vice versa. Okay, so whatever mode you have. So now once you have this, you have the copy button here. Okay, copy full text button.
Copy full text.
And you have also the settings here where you can use UK English if you want to. Okay. So then you can copy the full text, and now you have the video. Correct, guys?
Okay.
The next step is.
So now we have the.
Oh, sorry, you have the text exactly. Oh, I went to the video part already, guys. You have the text. Okay. Now you have the text. Okay. See, my mind is going at the speed of an airplane, I think. Anyways, now I have the text here. I'm going to go to a notepad, right, Charanya?
Okay.
Okay. Now I'm going to paste this text here. Okay.
Content here. Okay.
Exactly. Okay. So now the text is completely ready. Okay. In the next video, we are going to show how this text is going to be converted to an audio.
Okay.
Okay. After that, I'll show you how to convert the audio to a video with a picture. Okay. That is the ultimate content of this course. Okay, so if somebody had doubts on Quillbot, let me just clarify. Quillbot doesn't have this copyright issues and all. Okay, so it is going to convert a text to a completely unique text. Okay, so copyright issue is completely going to disappear for non-fiction or blogs. Okay, this is ultimate that's going to completely change your life itself. And Saranya, you also downloaded an extension from Chrome, right, for Quillbot?
Yeah.
A Chrome extension there, and you have a Word extension there, right?
Yeah.
A Word add-on. Okay, so and then Google Docs, if you're using Google Docs.
Yeah, right.
Certainly you're using Google Docs all the time. So tell us,
Yeah.
you had a Quillbot extension there, no?
Yeah, right. I have a Quillbot extension here, so it will quill the words while I am typing my content or article or blogs, anything. While I am typing, it will.
It's gonna quill the words. It's gonna make it new, correct?
It gives some different and unique words to me while I am typing, so it will very useful to me.
Pretty good. So Saranya, we know how you're using Quillbot. It's amazing. And yes, let's move on now. Let's turn this ultimate text into audio. Okay, guys, get ready for the magic. And it's not normal audio. It's going to be with human, real human voiceovers with ultimate emotive text. Let's move on to the next one right now.